Have you always wanted to know how to make your own sea moss gel? Well, it's simple and easy, and we're going to be making sea moss gel today. So let's begin. Now, I usually use Red Kitchen Sink Irish Sea Moss. That is the brand that I use. And now I just take a portion of it out the bag. You do not want to use a whole bag, or let me tell you something, you're going to have tons and tons and tons of mason jars of Irish sea moss. But I usually rinse it off very well, rinsing all the sand or salt or any residue that may be on the Irish sea moss, and just rinse it real good. And once you have rinsed it real good, just drain it and put fresh water in it. And then allow it to soak for 20 minutes. Once you have allowed it to soak for 20 minutes, you will see that it has enlarged. And that's why you don't want to use the whole bag. Then we're going to put fresh water in it, take it over to the stove, and we're going to bring it to a boil. And once you do that, you want to remove it from the heat. And you're going to allow it to sit for 20 minutes. And it should be a gel-like consistency, like this. Once they have cooled down, you're going to take it over to your blender, pour all your contents into the blender, and then you're going to use water to get the consistency that you want. Now, the instructions call for distilled water, but I always use bottled water. And again, how much water you pour in is dependent on the consistency of the gel that you want. Now, once you get it the consistency that you want, you pour it in a mason jar and you put it in a refrigerator. And as it cools, it will become solid. But remember, it will dissolve in anything warm that you put it in, and it has no taste or odor. Don't go spend a whole lot of money when you can make it yourself. Irish Sea Moss Gel. You can do it yourself.